So Higgsfield just dropped this, and with just a product link or even a simple image, you can create ads like this. Multiple creatives, different formats, ready to run. And the crazy part is, these are the kind of ads that used to cost anywhere from $15,000 to $45,000 to produce. Agencies, creators, full production teams. Now it all happens in one place. This is Higgsfield Marketing Studio, powered by Seedance 2.0. You give it one product and it handles everything. Scripts, scenes, editing, multiple ad styles, UGC videos, product demos, cinematic ads, all with consistent characters, realistic motion, and fully generated video and audio. No team, no back and forth, no delays. And the craziest part? You can go from product to a full set of ad creatives in minutes. I mean, seriously, take a look at this. This entire set of ads was created from just one product link. Different angles, different hooks, ready to test immediately. This is the kind of output you'd normally pay thousands for. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, step by step, and how you can start creating ads like this yourself. Let's get into it. So click the link in the description, and it'll take you straight to the Higgsfield website. Once you're inside, you'll see tools like Marketing Studio, URL to video, Seedance 2.0, and more. For this, we're going to focus on Marketing Studio. So go ahead and click on that, and this is where you'll land. This is basically your main workspace, where we're going to create the ads. Right here, you'll see different ad formats that you can generate for your product. UGC, tutorials, product reviews, cinematic ads, everything's here. Now let's jump into the main interface. First, click on Add Product. This is where you can either paste your product link or manually upload an image if you prefer. For this example, I'm going to use this product to create the ad. I'm going to copy this product link, head back over to Higgsfield, and paste it right here. Once I do that, it'll automatically start pulling in the product details. So I'll go ahead and select it. Next, we've got the Avatar section. This is where you choose who's going to present your ad. If I click on avatars, you'll see a bunch of options to choose from. And what's really cool is you can even create your own custom avatar from scratch. For this example, I'm just going to pick this one. Next, let's move into the formats. Right here, you'll find all the different ad styles you can generate. UGC, tutorials, unboxing, hypermotion, TV spots, and more. So for this example, I'm going to select TV spot. Now here's what's really powerful. You can actually describe exactly how you want your ad to look, and it will generate it based on your input. But what's even crazier is, you can skip all of that. Just hit the Generate button, and it will create a complete ad for you using AI. No manual scripting, no setup, which saves a ton of time. So I'm going to hit Generate, and let's see how this turns out. And boom, this actually came out really clean. The visuals look polished, the pacing feels natural, and everything flows like a real ad. Look at the shots, the transitions, even the way the product is presented. It feels like something professionally produced. And what's even crazier, the music is also generated by AI, and it actually fits perfectly with the visuals. The timing, the mood, everything just matches. Honestly, this feels like a complete ad straight out of a production team, not something generated in a few clicks. Alright, so let's try another ad format. I'm going to click on this dropdown, and this is going to give me 9 other ad formats. For this, let's try product review. And this time, I'm going to increase the duration to 15 seconds, then hit generate.
I've been using the Philips Sonicare 4100 lately. The Sonic Clean feels gentle but lifts plarch fast. The pressure sensor nudges me to lighten up, and the settings make it easy to pick my intensity.
And voila! Did you see that? That entire ad was generated in just a few clicks, and it actually feels like a real person talking about the product. The way the person speaks, uses the product, and reacts to it looks natural and believable. Even the expressions and timing feel real. The flow of the video is exactly like the kind of UGC ads you see on TikTok or Instagram. Nothing feels forced or robotic. Honestly, if you didn't know this was AI, you would think this was filmed by a real creator. And that's what makes this so powerful. Now let's try one more concept. This time, I'm going to switch things up and choose the wildcard format. This is where the AI gets a bit more creative and experimental with the output. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it on automatic and let the AI handle everything. No manual tweaking, no setup. And now, let's hit generate. And this looks really clean. The editing style is completely different from before. It feels more creative, more dynamic, almost like a professional editor put this together. The cuts, the pacing, the overall vibe, it actually stands out. And the background music hits perfectly with the visuals. Everything feels intentional, not random. Even without anyone talking, the video still communicates the product really well. Honestly, this feels like a polished ad you could run right away. And the fact that this came from just one input, that's actually insane. And yeah, that's Higgsfield Marketing Studio. From a single product link to multiple high-quality ad creatives in just minutes. No team, no editing, no complicated setup. Just input your product and let the AI handle the rest. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description below and start creating your own ads.